Hello students, in this video lecture we are going to see a part of projectile motion, that is equation of trajectory. What is equation of trajectory? Trajectory it is a parabolic curve in a vertical plane, which is a parabolic curve. So because of that, the path traced by the particle or a projectile in a vertical plane is called as trajectory. For this case, I have considered one example. Consider a projectile is projected from the point A. Now you can see the point A, and this point is called as point of projection, and it is projected with an angle alpha and initial velocity u. Particle will travel the total path. This total path traveled by the particle is called as trajectory. At this instant, we can at some instant at point B, I have considered the motion of a particle, and at this place, the coordinates of that point I have defined as x, y. It means that the distance traveled by the particle from point A to B in vertical sense is x. In vertical sense it is y, and horizontal sense it is x. So for this case, we can define the motion of the particle in two directions, that is x direction and y direction. As we know, in projectile motion, the particle is analyzed in two directions, that are x direction and y direction. The equation that we are using for the displacement of the particle by using the equation of motion along x direction, it is Sx is equals to u cos alpha into t, because of acceleration along x direction is 0 when the velocity along x direction is constant. Therefore, in this case, the Sx I have considered as horizontal distance between the point A and B. As the equation we know that the time of flight, t, it is the time taken by the particle. Now from A to B we will consider, and it will be equals to defined as x upon u cos alpha. It is from this equation. So with this case, we have defined the motion of the particle along x direction. Let us consider the motion of the particle along y direction. The displacement of the particle along y direction is expressed as u sin alpha into t minus half gt square. This is the equation as s is equals to ut plus half at square. In this case, we have replaced ay by minus g, and uy we have replaced by u sin alpha. As we have considered at B point the coordinates as x, y, so y, it is the vertical displacement of the particle from A to B. So as y, if I substitute in this equation, so I got one equation, that is the equation as y is equals to u sin alpha into t minus half gt square. For this case, as we know that t is equals to x upon u cos alpha, so I have substituted the value of time of flight in this equation. So I get the equation y is equals to u sin alpha into x upon u cos alpha minus half g into, in bracket, x upon u cos alpha whole square. So with this case, by solving this equation, I got an expression as x sin alpha upon cos alpha. This sin alpha upon cos alpha become tan alpha. So I can say it is x tan alpha minus it is gx square upon 2u cos square, 2u square cos square alpha. With this case, the equation you can observe in the form of parabola. The equation of parabola, we know that y is equals to c1x, y is equals to c1x plus c2 x square. So c2 x square. So this is the c2 and this is x square. So we can say that the equation we have got for the trajectory, it is in the form of equation of parabola. Therefore, the path traced by the projectile in the space, it is parabolic, and therefore that path is called as trajectory. and the equation we have taken as equation of trajectory as y is equals to x tan alpha minus gx square upon 2u square cos square alpha. Let us see a numerical based on this topic, that is equation of trajectory. The numerical is: a projectile is fired with an initial velocity of 260 meter per second at a target B located at 700 meter above the ground at a horizontal distance of 3600 meter from the gun as shown in the figure. Neglecting air resistance, determine the value of the firing angle alpha. In this case, I have considered a very first case that we have already studied in the previous video lecture, and that is point of projection is below the point of landing. For this case, we are going to use the equation of trajectory. This question we have to solve by using the equation of trajectory. We can use the general formulas that are equation of motion along x direction and y direction also to solve this numerical, but specifically we are going to solve this numerical by using the equation of trajectory. Let us see what data is given in this question. In this case, the velocity as initial velocity of the projectile is given as 260 meter per second. The distance from point of projection to point of landing in horizontal way, it is defined as 3600 meter. In vertical sense, the distance between the point of projection and the point of landing, it is given as 700 meter, which is we have taken positive because point of projection is the origin and the distance above the origin is positive. And as we know that the velocity along x direction is constant, so ax we are going to substitute as 0 and ay will be equals to minus 9.81 meter per seconds. As we have to find out the angle alpha, we are going to use the equation of trajectory. Now what is the equation of trajectory? It is y is equals to x tan alpha minus jx square upon 2u square cos square alpha. Substitute the value of y is positive 700 is equals to 3600 tan alpha minus 9.81 into x square, that is 3600 square upon 2 into 2600 square cos square alpha. By solving this equation, we have get another equation. This is in the form of 700 is equals to 3600 tan alpha minus 1 upon cos square alpha into 940.366. Now, as we know that 1 upon cos square alpha is nothing but sec square alpha. So, as converting this 1 upon cos square alpha, we have to write this equation as 700 is equals to 3600 tan alpha minus 940.366 sec square alpha. As we know that again sec square alpha is nothing but 1 plus tan square alpha. So now in this case we are going to convert this sec square alpha as 1 plus tan square alpha. Now for this case 700 is equals to 3600 tan alpha minus 940.366 tan, it is 1 plus tan square alpha. So with this case we have the equation as, by solving it step by step, we are having the equation as, the equation become 940.366 tan square alpha minus 3600 tan alpha plus 1640.366 is equals to 0. This is, you can see that as a quadratic equation in the form of tan alpha unknown. So while solving this equation in the calculator by using the equation ax square plus by plus c equals to 0, we are getting the value of tan alpha and it become equals to 3.299 and another value of tan alpha becomes 0.529. With this case, we can say alpha become equals to 73.136 degree and second is alpha is equals to 27.87 degree. Alpha is equals to 73.136, it is the maximum angle of projection, and alpha is equals to 27.87, it is the minimum angle of projection. Here are the two values of the alpha at which target can be hit. That means alpha is equals to 73.136 degree and alpha equals to 27.87 degree. In this manner, we can solve a numerical based on a trajectory.